Well, here we are. Yet again, got the input variator apart, and I was correct on my assumption about the travel balls. They're pretty damaged, and there's only 6. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be 9, judging by the metal that was underneath the top hat there. Of course, I just cleaned it. That seal was crap. There's a little bit of damage here. And the slide itself, it took a little bit of damage on each slide. You can see that. Kind of hard to see. That's where the metal was coming from. But oddly enough, the transmission was working pretty good. So we'll be ordering a rebuild upgrade kit and an upgrade pump. I believe all this here is common for these things. The kit comes with pins, full-length pins instead of bearings for on both sides. But yeah, most likely those bearings started failing, and the pump pressure control valve failed. One of the two caused one of the other. But that is a big failing point for these transmissions. The pump and these variator slide balls. Yep. That'll be it.